In this video tutorial, we are going to demonstrate the basic steps to create and render a chart in a Blazor app using Mindfusion Charting library for Blazor. We will be using the Blazor Web App template, but the code is similar if you opt for the Blazor Web Assembly project. When you follow the steps of the Blazor Web App wizard, note that it is very important to choose Auto, Server, and WebAssembly as interactive mode for the project. We don't need HTTPS, so our project is initialized. When you look at the Solution Explorer, you notice there is a server project and a client project. We must create the chart in the client project as a web component in order to have the server execute the initialization code dynamically. We installed the charting library from NuGet. We need to add it only to this project. It's always a good idea to run any package updates that are offered by the package manager. We add now a new Razor component to the client project and name it Chart View. The first thing we are going to add to this file is the directive that render mode is going to be interactive WebAssembly. This is another crucial step. Then, we import the charting namespaces we need to use: Drawing, Charting, Charting Components, and Charting Blazor. Now, we can declare the chart using Razor syntax. We use the bar chart tag that is exposed by the component. We will create and customize the chart in code. We specify the bar layout and grid type. These two properties, together with many others, are available for you to study at the detailed online documentation. Mindfusion components have extensive documentation with lots of tutorials and description for each API member, so it's a good idea to make use of it. In addition, there are separate samples available for download, and you can choose the one that meets best your needs. Now we need to create the chart and add some data to it. Give it a title. We do this in the onAfterRender method override. The series property of any chart is of type observable collection. It holds various series, which are instances of classes that implement the series interface. We use bar series, which takes three parameters: data, inner labels, and top labels. We are not rendering top labels, so we use null. With that, we are ready to add the bar chart to the home page of the web app. This is the server project, so we place it there, and if we've done everything correctly, we should see the bar chart in the browser. Let's hit run and see. And here's the chart. We've just showed you the minimum setup for a Blazor web project. If you want to render a chart using Mindfusion Charting for Blazor. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your interest in Mindfusion developer tools.